Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Measure chocolate compound and chop to 5 10 pieces so it melts evenly. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, keeping steam but no water contact. Stir gently and continuously. This prevents scorching and graininess. Once about 70% is melted, remove from heat and stir the remaining pieces to finish melting with residual heat. You do this to control temperature and preserve a glossy finish. Make sure to keep the bowl dry and avoid any steam droplets falling in. Once your chocolate reaches the melted stage, cool it to the target 30-32 degrees C for dark compound to ensure snap and sheen. You can speed cooling by placing the bowl on a cool surface and stirring. Once it nears 32 degrees C, add 5-10% grated seed chocolate if the compound lacks stability. Stir slowly and test a small smear on parchment for shine and set. If too thick, thin with up to 1 tsp cocoa butter per 100 g to reach the desired flow and coating consistency. You pour tempered compound into molds, tapping out air pockets and scraping excess with a bench scraper. Cool at 15-18 degrees C for 15-30 minutes until fully set. Demold gently to preserve edges. Store chocolates at 18-20 degrees C with low humidity to prevent sweating or bloom. If you see dull or whitish bloom, don't panic. Re-temper by warming to 45-50 degrees C, stirring, then cooling back to 30-32 degrees C and remolding. This restores fat crystal structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.